Hello guys, welcome to AQTech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create good and attractive thumbnails on in CorelDraw. CorelDraw, if you are not familiar with CorelDraw, it is an application where we can design different things, logos, flares, and etc. So let's open up it. Just go to the start and then CorelDraw. Here's CorelDraw. I have already installed. If you don't have, so go on Google and just download the application and install it. Now we have a new option here. Just click on new button, and then the very first thing you need to set the dimension of the YouTube thumbnail size. So first of all, here's the unit, drawing unit, so we go for the pixel, and then here is the dimension setting. It's the width would be 1280 and height, if you go for the 720, it's suitable and it's very good for the YouTube thumbnails. So the same we are going. Then if you want to draw a rectangle, it's a board, you can just draw and you can make things here. But if you want to export the file with the border line and border color, so what you have to do, just take a rectangle from here. F6 is the a shortcut, but if you click here manually, so it's okay, no problem, same things happen. Just go here and then just rectangle and the same size, 1280 width, and then 720 would be the height, and just press the P from the keyboard to make it centralized on the board. Right now you can see, and then the border line as you wish, but if you want to make 1 or 2, whatever, okay, it's we actually go for the 2, it's more attractive. And then now what you have to do to make things right, first of all, content, write down here how to create, okay, so we are going to write here, type here and like this, and just go for the font style. I'm going to choose here for, because it's headline, so it should be bold and like this. Okay, how to create, okay, this. Then both a text and the rectangle you can select with the shift button from the keyboard and C for center, okay, to align this one. If you want, still you can click here, the both, select the both rectangle and text and go to align and then make it happen. But if you like this center and go for OK for apply, it's already in center, so it's no changes here. Then how to create thumbnails. Let's complete the text. How to create, okay, YouTube thumbnails. CorelDraw, and we make it going to happen like this, and then bold if you want to, and the same thing, centralize, and then CorelDraw, make it a CorelDraw, it's CorelDraw, and then select the text and just move here anywhere you want. Here I just leave a blank space because I want to put here something like image. So if you don't have, so you go to Google and just download whatever image you want. I just put this icon, this image here, so click and drag to this application, then make it the size adjustable, like here we can see here, and then just put it right here. Then if you want to make highlight the versions like C12, CorelDraw 12, and then we have Corel X4, so X14, X17, X17, and X20. Right now it's X20, so X20. Now you should put here like we have, and put anywhere you want anywhere like this, and I want to put here, and then make here, and even you can change. Now if you want to change the background color, so you can change from here like this, and this, whatever you want, but I prefer to make it black, white background, so it's okay. If you want, if you change, if you want to change, so you may, other than just leave it like this. If I want to, okay, so here on the headline, what I have to do is just draw a rectangle at the top, and you may make a color. Now you can see here the red color. So now the text is under this rectangle, so what we have to do, just mouse over here, and then just control button, click, and then click here to select the object or text. Press control button from the keyboard and just click on the center, and then white color, and then bring in front of the banner or this rectangle. So what we have to do, go to arrange, click on order, and to front. It has a shortcut, but you can go for manual. Now you can see how to create. Make it size, make the size little bit more attractive and big, and now you can see thumbnails, make it smaller, then just go for this one, and now you can see here, and then make it bold in CorelDraw. If you want to make it like this, no problem, and then this version should be smaller like this, make it more small, you can use here, it's okay, no problem. These versions, these modules you can use here. Now we have other options, like if you want to add the YouTube logo or even image to subscribe, to request subscribes, so you can just use these buttons anywhere you want. Okay, so if you want to make it horizontal or vertical, you may do that like this anywhere, and then yes, just like this. If you want this simple, it's okay. Other than if you want to still make it change or do something more, then what you have to do, go just click on the background, the thumbnails, okay, background, this rectangle background which we drawn first, go here and then click on the bitmap image, and then click on OK button. Just click on OK button, so it becomes, it convert in the bitmap. Then go to effects, go to bitmap, 3D effects, and then page curl, go to the page curl, and then select the page curl size, like if you want to curl from the bottom right, bottom left, top left, top right. Right now I go for the bottom right side, and the width 27, it's okay, it's by default, so I just go on OK. Now you can see here we have we created a thumbnail in CorelDraw, very simple and very easily. So what you have to do, then last and final stage is select your rectangle, your object, all objects together, and just click on Control G for group, and then go to the export option. Here's a shortcut, Control E. If you want do it by manual, it's okay, click on here. You can see the export option, then click here and then export anywhere, any folder. Like I have a folder named thumbnail, so I go for this one and just then final thumbnail for the YouTube, and save as type JPEG, JPEG. And if you go for the more option, if it's not selected only, then just click on the select it just to select to export only the selected object, not all. So if you want to export all the objects, so it's okay. If you want to specifically export the same object only, then you go for this option, then OK, click on just OK, and then OK again. Now you can see, go in the folder where it's saved. Now you can see it's open up. Here we go. So this is how this is how you can create a thumbnail for any video on YouTube, for YouTube videos. So if you like this video, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.